I joined Growth Module last year in 2019, somewhere in August, September. And from then my journey has been great. Now let me get back to what I actually do. So I was earlier working with the Bombay Stock Exchange. I worked there for around 6 years and then quit and joined Morgan Stanley, worked with them for 2 years. And after which I gave up on my job and I started trading full time. Since then, the journey had been okay. Like once I quit my job, the journey has been okay. But once I joined Growth Module, my experience with Growth Module has been tremendous. Sir's teachings has made me so confident in the market. First of all, he gives us such simple steps and strategies that you just have to apply. And if your view is correct according to the strategies what he supports and what he gives us, you can make a decent amount of money if your trades are right. I've always been trading just one stock, which is Bajaj Finance, and I've been trading that stock since October last year. So I decided that let me एक stock चुनते हैं, and I've been an intraday trader. For me, positional was, I'm still scared of positional, but for me, I like a stock which gives you maximum volatility, and Bajaj Finance is one such stock. So I trade right now on a capital of around 6 lakhs, and so I used to invest that only in one stock. Like Bajaj Finance, I used to buy futures of Bajaj Finance according to the setup, what Sir showed us. And as per that setup, I used to make on a day approximately around 15 to 20,000. So I was happy with that. So I used to take that money and I used to be out of the market. So I used to trade Bajaj Finance because it was a very high volatile stock. And so there was a time, I'm not sure which day it was, but Bajaj Finance had gapped up and it had given one big candle.
It is a day after Nirmala candle.
Yes.
That is 21st of 20th September was that day, Friday, and then Monday was the day that you are talking about.
Monday was the day.
23rd of
so
September.
that was the day I was watching the market. I was watching the market on my phone because I was traveling, and I just entered Bajaj Finance when it was 100 points plus, and from there I took around 200 points in Bajaj Finance, and I normally trade with 4 lots of Bajaj Finance, which is 1,000. So there itself I made a profit of around 2 lakhs.
In one trade?
In one trade. So the setup is excellent. What Sir teaches us, and it's very simple. As he says, you only have to plan your trades on Friday. You have to look at probably whatever other charts, and on Friday, if you can build a view as per the long view or the short view, then accordingly, and you take trades according to that, you can make decent amount of capital. I got married recently in November, and it was my wedding week. So before wedding, we have the ceremony called a rose ceremony. I'm a Christian, okay. So it was a Thursday, I remember, and it was one of the days. I'm a mentee from Sir's mentorship batch, and it was one. I think it was one of the first 2 mentorship sessions. And prior to that, live trading day. So prior to that, in the same week, I had shorted 6 lots of Bajaj Finance.
Bata.
6 lots of Bata, and I was in a decent amount of profit on the Wednesday evening. I was sitting on a profit of around 2 lakh rupees, and the very next day, it was I think the results the previous day. Bata had got excellent results. My profit from 2 lakhs went to a loss of around 3.5 lakh. In that first, then I called up like, sir, what should I do? Sir was in the session. I still remember I called up sir, and sir said, don't worry, wait for the candle to close, then we will see. And I was observing that first 15-minute candle, first 1 hour candle, the Bata, which was up, it just kept coming down. So we can show that chart also.
Yes.
Bata was just coming down. It came down, and then I didn't make the profit what I would have made because I was panicking, because from a profit of 2.5 lakhs, I went into a loss of 3.5 lakhs. So then when it came down, I exited, but I still made a profit of around 1.5 lakhs.
Let's go and check after you complete.
Yes, sir. So that's all I would like to share my experience with Growth Module. has been excellent since 2019.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Great.